Hi guys. Nope, I'm not gonna burp in this video. Whoops, I slipped. Okay, so I have been requested to do some videos. I'm not gonna do a farting video, I'm sorry. That's just, no, not my thing. But I might do a hiccup video. I had the hiccups 3 times today, but I didn't have my camera with me, so didn't get to do that. Toy Story. So, yeah, I don't really have a lot of makeup on today, and my stomach hurts pretty bad. And I'm laying in bed, just talking to this camera, talking to you guys, my lovely fans, because I've gotten 7 new fans since I did that burping video. I'm glad that there's people that like burps and they want to keep watching me burp. Yeah. Yeah. I promised I wouldn't burp in this video, but then I did twice. Who knows, I might do it a lot more. I am getting a phone call. Talk to you guys later.